In fact, in the history of bikes, there's nothing really like this. Electro & Co did something really special, finding something that hasn't really been done before. Merging a mini bike with a pit bike. It's beautiful.
The neighbors knocking, 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 got the neighbors knocking.
That's definitely the new Rizzler stem. The Rizzler, 50 miles per hour, more battery capacity than the RTR Lite, full suspension, lights, storage, perfect wheelie geometry. This is one of the few bikes that do not need upgrades out of the box, and for $2,000, that's a big deal. That being said, we're still going to upgrade it with the 6.7 kit, just like we did to the RTR for an insane 14 kilowatts of power.